What a ketogenic diet is you put your body into ketosis, which is when you have insufficient amount of carbs, which is what you get your energy from. Your body will start producing ketones in your liver from fat, so you have energy throughout the day. And when you're in ketosis, that's when you're burning maximum amount of fat. And so that's what I did. Starting off, I did 4 protein days. So for 4 days, I could only eat all protein, maximum of 50 carbs. And well, let me tell you, that was not fun. Because of everything that I used to eat, my body freaked out on me and I actually got really sick. My body just kind of went into shock and it was just like, where is all the greasy food at? Like, I was just eating very healthy and very little. After the 4 days, you